Toby. Come on. Panda, come on. Toby. Oh, baby. Toby can't even walk.
Oh, my gosh.
How are they going to go to the bathroom? We're going to have to make a path for them. Look, oh, Toby says, I'll go. What the heck they're saying? What the heck is going on? Panda, you going to go potty?
Right there.
Oh, he's like Milo used to be. Look at Toby, he's still going.
Is Toby going to the bathroom
Yes.
or is he stuck?
No, he's going to the bathroom. Go outside, girls.
We got at least 16 inches of snow.
Toby, you really had to go, buddy. Huh? Lexus, you're not stupid, are you? Ridley's like, Lexus is there right there.
Actually, this is great exercise.
You don't have a heart attack. Rich, your car up there, Rich, stuck in a driveway. Go, Jazzy, you chicken. Oh, Jasmine, you figured out real quick what to do, didn't you, girl? Right on the porch. This is February 6th. I think we have about 2 foot of snow. My son measured and he said there was 25 inches, but we haven't measured. Glad I didn't have any puppies going out today. It's like a complete whiteout. Rich's car stuck in the driveway, and it is still snowing. Toby, you like this, huh? River, you eating the snow? Look at Panda. Lex, what's wrong, baby?